So I have a pretty easy festival rave makeup tutorial today. It's pretty much just like a regular eyeshadow look, but just with some silver glitter on the bottom. So the first color I'm using is the shade Toffee from the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette. I'm using that just as like a base and then my transition shade. So I blended that all the way up into my crease. And then this is currently the shade Maple from that palette. It's a medium warm brown. I'm using that to outline that outer V and then blend that kind of inwards, upwards, towards the middle. I'm going back in with that Maple shade and also a bit of a darker shade called Bark from that same palette to just darken up that outer V. And then I'm gonna blend that as much as I possibly can. All of my brushes that I'm using are from the Makeup Artist Bag collection, which was a set of brushes from the brand Zoeva. They're really awesome. I love them. I haven't needed to use any other brushes from any other brand since I got them. And I'm kind of OCD and I like having everything matching, so that was a big plus for me. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Snow, which is a white shimmer from the Lorac palette. I'm using my finger just because on lighter shades, I feel like using my finger makes it a lot easier to keep the pigmentation the same. And then for my metallics, I'm going in with the Urban Decay something metallic palette. Can't even remember what it's called. I'm using the shades Angel Fire, Maiden, and Acoustic. I dampened my brush a little bit before applying the eyeshadow, and it really helped to get the pigmentation as well, I guess, pigmented as possible. And I'm not really layering these in any specific order. I'm just kind of packing all three of those on until I got the color that I liked, until it looked really bright as well. I'm just using that on my lid, kind of up into my crease and then towards the inner corner as well. And I always do a little bit of eyeliner on my upper lid, and then I do my mascara and then my fake eyelashes. And then after my eyelashes are applied, I go back and do my wing and then kind of touch up the eyeliner. I like doing it this way because with my fake eyelashes, when they flare out on the outside edges, I can really see where to apply my winged liner. Unfortunately, I leaned a little bit too far forward and that all got cut out of the video, but just a basic wing for this. And then tight line with a black eyeliner, crayon, or pencil, so there's no gaps. So I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm pretty much just drawing a line under my eye. I'm going to go in with a dampened Q-tip that I dipped in my silver glitter, and I'm going to pack that on pretty much just like instead of eyeliner, I'm using glitter. I like using a Q-tip because I feel like makeup brushes don't really catch the glitter all that well. And then using a finger, even my pinky's a little bit too thick for when I want to do super precision glitter. So that's why I'm using a Q-tip. Toward the inner corners of my eye, I really made it thicker. And then I also took the glitter up kind of to the top of my inner eyelid, if that makes sense. So instead of an inner corner highlight, I'm using glitter for that. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.